learning a new shape, that is circle. Round, round circle, round like a ball. I am a circle rolling around.
I am a circle rolling around.
I'm coin, 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 nice and round. On me no sides can be found.
Round like a circle, I am round.
I'm donut, donut, donut without any corner.
Donut, donut, donut without any corner.
I'm wheel, wheel, wheel rolling on the street.
Just like a circle rolling on the street.
I'm rolling here and there, I'm rolling everywhere.
Here and there, everywhere.
I'm just a curved line, watch me bend. I am a circle that will never end.
Circle, circle, circle that never ends. I am a circle that will never end.
So today we have learned about a new shape, circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. For example, sun, football, giant wheel and candy. Here's a fun activity for you all. Look at the screen. Can you guys count how many circles are there? You can discuss this with your teacher at school or with your parents at home.